Okay, students, learners, mathematicians. We're now going to do distributive property. We're going to combine like terms, but now because we have an equation, we're going to be solving for the letter H. So let's get started. So hopefully you tuned in to the other videos and you learned about distributive property. So we're going to be doing 2 times 1, which is 2. We're going to do 2 times negative 3h, which is negative 6h. How did I get that? 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. And then times the h is connected. All right, so we have negative 6h there. We're going to now take negative 5 multiplied times 2h, and we get negative 10h. We have negative 5 times 3, which is plus, or in this case, right, it's a negative 15, and it's going to equal 21, or negative 21. And some people, some of my students would call that the mirror, okay? But we're just showing you a line there because we're going to be making sure that we do whatever we do to the left side as far as trying to get the variable by itself, we have to do to the other side. So, but before that, we have to combine like terms. So we have negative 6h minus 10h, right? So negative minus a number, we're going to be adding those. So that is negative 16h. Then we have 2 minus 15. And we have to do it in that order. We can't do 15 minus 2. We have to do 2 minus 15. And it leaves us with negative 13. Right? So we have, so I'm just doing my work right there. So I have negative 16h minus 13 equals negative 21. All right. Now from there, the goal is to get the h by itself. So before we can get the h by itself, we have to add 13 to both sides. And 13, negative 13 plus 13 is 0, so it cancels out. So I'm left with negative 16h equals negative 21 plus 13, which would be negative 8. We then, because we're trying to get h by itself, we're doing the opposite operation is what we did here. We subtracted 13. We're subtracting 13, but to get this side to be 0, we have to add 13. And whatever we do to this side, we also have to do to the other side. So from here, I'm going to divide negative 16, because that's what will give me the letter H, or 1H. And I'm going to divide negative 16 on both sides. So this reduces to 1, so I'm left with an H, and negative 8 divided by negative 16, we have a common factor of negative 8, because we can't, because a negative divided by negative is a positive. Negative 8 divided by negative 8 is 1. Negative 16 divided by negative 8 is 2. So our answer is 1/2. And we can always check it, okay? You can tune in at a later time, or you can check it yourself. I thank you for your time. Thanks for tuning in to Mr. Glenn. Hopefully you have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe, send it and share it, as well as put comments in the comment section telling me what it is that you would like to see more of, or what questions you have. Have a great day. Bye.